Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to scan a QR code in WhatsApp. So let's get started. Open up your WhatsApp application. Now, the first scanning method is when you go ahead and try to add a new contact. Tap on the plus sign here. And in front of the new contact, tap on the QR code and then scan the QR code to add a new contact. Or you can also tap on the photo icon in the bottom left corner and upload the QR code from your gallery. Now, another option to scan a QR code is if you want to log into a different device or may log into a computer. So what can you do? In the top right corner, click on these three dots and then tap on linked devices. Next, tap on link a device and then scan the QR code of WhatsApp Web, the desktop app, or other devices to log in. And that's how to scan a QR code in WhatsApp. Yo, if this video helps you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on the video.